Want to change your Roblox username without losing your account? Most people skip verifying their email first and get permanently locked out. Subscribe now and learn the correct way in 60 seconds. Log in to your Roblox account on your computer and navigate to the home screen. Click the settings icon, which looks like a cogwheel, in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the menu. This step is very important. If you have not already added an email, click Add Email and verify it. Roblox requires this before you can change your username. Skip this and you will fail. Click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil and paper next to your current username in the Account Info tab. A pop-up will appear stating that a username change costs 1,000 Robux. If you do not have enough, click Buy to purchase the necessary amount. Enter your new desired username and your account password. Then click Buy using your Robux balance. You will be logged out and must sign back in with your new name. Your Roblox username has now changed. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment changed below so I know this worked. In the next video, I will show you how to get free Robux safely without scams.
Subscribe now.